Hey everyone, very good evening for all of you. This is KK from India. My profession is corporate coach and mentor, but now I am also a graphics designer. And how to successfully finish my graphics designer journey today I share with you. So let's start. First of all, my heartfelt thanks from bottom of my heart for my great mentor, Mr. Sahed Hassan sir. Today, I stand here not just as a learner, but as a graphics designer. And this transformation didn't happen any software, any tools, or any tutorials. It happened only because of my great mentor, Mr. Sahed Hassan sir, guidance. He believed me before I believed myself. When I joined this course, I had interest, I had curiosity, I had lots of questions. And every class he came and solved my all questions. And gradually my interest this level to this level increased. He didn't teach me how to design. He always taught me how to think like a pro designer. Not just look good, but why does it work? Not just how to use any tools, but how to trust my creativity. Every correction was respectful and honest, and every class came with purpose and clarity and creativity. A great mentor does not answer. He always asks the right questions, and slowly you find your own strength. And today, I don't design any flyer, any visual. I design confidence, I design clarity, I design identity. Once again, thank you so much. Only because of you, I design a new chapter in my professional life. Once again, thank you so much. And if you want to design like me in your professional life, like a graphics designer, you can join Mr. Sahed Hassan sir designer community. And today, I really feel glad to share with you my journey. For that reason, thank you so much and good night.